Hi students, problem number 6. A boat goes 40 km upstream in 8 hours and a distance of 49 km downstream in 7 hours. The speed of the boat in still water has to be determined. It's a very simple and easy numerical problem. So first we will take upstream. So upstream means it is against the water, it is against the stream. So for this you see upstream it is going how much distance? 40 kilometers. So distance d1 is equal to 40 kilometer and the time taken is equal to 8 hours. So 8 hours. Okay. Then the relative speed S1 is equal to, for upstream it is speed of the boat minus the speed of the water. Okay. So time is equal to distance by speed. So 8 is equal to distance is 40. So 40 divided by SB minus SW. Or we can write the other way also. The relative speed SB minus SW is equal to 40 divided by 8. That is equal to 5. 8 5s are 40. So this is equation 1. Now for downstream, similar steps for downstream I am writing. So this is along the water current. Downstream means it is along the water current. And here the distance travelled is given as what? 49 kilometer and the time is given as 7 hours. So this is 49 kilometer and this is 7 hours. And the relative speed S2 is equal to the sum of the speeds SB plus SW. Okay. So similar equation if you write T2 is equal to distance D2 divided by S2. So this is equal to D2 divided by SB plus SW, or SB plus SW is equal to, here distance is 40 and here 49. So instead of 40 we will write 49 divided by 7. So 7 sevens are 49. This is equal to 7 and equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 we have arrived respectively for upstream and downstream. Now we can add these two so that when you add the left hand side, so SW can be eliminated, isn't it? So adding equations 1 and 2. So this will become SB minus SW plus SB plus SW. So this is equal to, the right hand side is 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7. Now SW minus SW get cancelled. So 5 plus 7 can be written as 12 here itself. So SB plus SB is what? 2SB. So 2 into SB is equal to 12. Therefore SB is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, what is asked here? The actual speed of the boat. So, the speed of a boat in still water is SB is equal to 6 km per hour is the answer. Okay. So, which is the correct option? Option C. So, SB is equal to 6 km. That is option C is the correct answer. So again I am repeating you that so many steps I have written. This is because I am writing for the learners for the first time. So once you have learned means quick steps you have to write. Direct equations 1 and 2 you will have to write. You have to practice to do the mental calculation and write equations 1 and 2 directly and do this problem within 45 seconds or less than a minute you have to do in competitive exams. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.